We're here with Gregor, the director of the Swarm Foundation and one of the attendees here at the XT event who spoke today on the panel. Would you tell me a little bit about what you spoke today?
So I was presenting our project, Swarm, Decentralized Storage and Communication for a digital self-sovereign society.
So tell me what that means to you, having a digital sovereign society.
It means that we are in control of our digital existence. So Swarm was started as part of the World Computer idea within the Ethereum Foundation back in 2015. It was being developed for 5 years under Ethereum Foundation, then graduated in 2020. And we are on the mission to empower digital freedom by making data unstoppable.
Do you think it's truly possible to have digital freedom when our privacy is non-existent anymore?
Yes. I think privacy has become something that we negotiate these days, and I think we need to be stronger negotiators. And Web3 is the tool in the toolbox to achieve that.
All right, so I know you stressed a lot in your presentation having a decentralized world. So tell me what that looks like to you.
So on the outside, for a user, in terms of the user experience, it shouldn't look any different. It should maybe look just better because progress is making things better. But under the hood, it means that it's not big tech corporations that profit from our data and turn us into a product, but that we decide what happens, that we have, if there is value created from our data, that we are part of that and being also properly compensated. In idealistic sense, I would like to see that through our existence in the digital world and the value of data, we even can create something like universal basic income in the digital world. Because, you know, like the proponents of the UBI, they say that we should basically be compensated by just existing, and when we are in the digital world, we by default are already creating data. So it even holds more true there.
So what does that compensation look like? Like earning money? Or what else?
I think we cannot generalize. It might be, yes, maybe earning money. This might seem the simplest, but it might also mean things like if the cities get our, for example, location data, they can design better public transportation, and that transportation should be free, or something else. So I would say we first need strong infrastructure, and then we can start experimenting and figuring out how it actually should be the society of the future.
Okay, and so what role is Swarm playing in this?
Swarm is providing the global decentralized data layer. So with blockchain, we know that blockchain is not suitable for storing a lot of data because it's too expensive, it's not the appropriate technology. And Swarm basically continues from there. It complements blockchain so that we can use private data or big data, any kind of data.
So it's not cloud-based, or no? Okay, so that makes it more secure.
So, you know, they say that cloud is just other people's computers. So, but Swarm, I see Swarm as Cloud 2.0. It's a cloud that we create together as a swarm, and we have control of it, and we participate the way we want.
So we're the swarm. Is the swarm of bees? Is that where it came from?
And our client, if you decide to run a swarm node, it's actually called a bee, and that's why our token it's buzzes up because bees do buzz.
I understand now. Okay, where did you guys come up with that?
Well, I would say this is so long ago that it's really hard to say who made that call. It's the whole idea of swarm. It's also when you look at flock of birds, you know, it's each bird or each bee is a whole, but at the same time it's part of something bigger. So we are kind of mimicking that, and we are trying to kind of bring more of that into our digital lives and reality.
So what is that common goal that unites us?
That common goal that unites us, who? The sworn
Crypto
bees.
community.
Oh, the sworn. Oh, that's easy. So it's digital freedom. So it's to create the foundations where we can also live free in the digital world and prosper from the gains of it.
All right. Well, I hope that happens. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you.